Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this video, we will be reviewing the butterball turkey fryer. Guys, I am trying to grow my channel, so please do not forget to subscribe. So the first thing you have to do with one of these butterball turkey fryers is make sure that your turkey is bone dry. So I cleaned it, and then what I did was every speck of water that I can find inside of this turkey, I patted it out. And I also took a bunch of like paper towel and I put it in a cavity just so that it can soak up the liquids inside. So you'll see that I pulled some of those out in the beginning, and I just kept doing that until I was confident that all of the liquid was out of the turkey, because you do not want to put this turkey in with any kind of fluid in it, because it makes the grease splatter more. So as much of it as you can get out, get it out. And I'm not sure if you can get it completely dry, but if you can, try your best. So again, here you see I'm just going to pat this, and I'm going to continue this until I am satisfied that it's as dry as possible. So from here, I'm going to season my turkey. And since this is not a seasoning video, I won't go into what's in that seasoning, but I mixed all my seasoning together, and I'm going to put the seasoning all over the turkey. Some people do the injection where they put I don't know if it's brine or some kind of liquid inside of the turkey. I'm not sure if that's okay. I would read the instructions for that. I normally do not do that, so I wasn't sure. But you definitely want to make sure that you season your turkey all the way up. I even took some of the seasoning and kind of stuffed my hand in there and massaged some underneath on the breast part, underneath the skin. So this is the top part. I'm actually going to put some seasoning here. You're going to see with this turkey fryer, I don't think there's much of this turkey you cannot eat. It is all moist, all great. So you definitely want to make sure your seasoning is all over this turkey. So I put my gloves on and I'm just going to go to town and make sure every piece of this turkey is seasoned. But like I said, I did not inject it with brine or some other herbs. I mean, I guess you could do herbs. I'm just not sure about the liquids. So definitely read that instruction manual. So my turkey is now seasoned. I did let it sit overnight with the seasoning. And I did double check it to make sure that there is no liquid inside, because I noticed when it rests for a period of time in the refrigerator, that liquid would form. So I did pat it out if there was any more in there. And then we are going to get this prepared for the turkey fryer. So guys, here is the butterball turkey fryer. I'm going to take this off of the voiceover and do a live review now. Hello everyone, this is our butterball electric fryer. We are going to cook our turkey this year in the fryer. Yeah. So it says professional series master built and butterball electric fryer. I think there's an XL one, but we don't have that one. So I'm gonna show you inside.
Gobble gobble.
Some crazy daughter. Okay, so in here there is a max line and a minimum line. Right now we have it almost to the max. The turkey is about 18 pounds. So we didn't fill up all the way because I don't want the oil to get too high. But the oil, as you can see, is a little, yeah. We're waiting for it to melt because we put it in the cold garage, which feels like it's outside. So it looks like this. Once it melts, we'll let you see. So there is a light on here. Once you plug it in, it's the power light. Once the oil is hot enough, the ready light comes on. For this turkey, I put the temperature up to 375, which is the max. So when the ready light comes back on, I'll show you how that goes. And what happens is there is a, was it a heat rod?
Heat rod or hot rod?
Mm-hmm.
Hot rod.
In there that will heat the oil. And once it's ready, I will come back and show you what's going on. So I'm getting the last of the water out of the turkey. I saw some water in the cavity in there, so I wanted to just take that out. Just kind of using paper towel again. Should have on gloves, but I don't. I want to just make sure everyone knows to read your directions before you use this machine. As long as you follow everything by the T, everything that they say, everything should be good. But also make sure you have your fire extinguisher on hand. So that oil has melted, and now we are ready to place the turkey in the fryer. So my husband is the best. You have to do this slowly. So what he's going to do is place the turkey in the oil, but he's not going to just drop it in. It has to be done in small intervals. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that you put it down a little bit at a time. So you're going to kind of put down the bottom, and then a little bit down to do the middle, and then the last part is you're gonna put the whole turkey in to the oil and let the thing fry. So as you watch the video, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. And the turkey is pretty heavy, so holding it over this basket is not an easy task. You're gonna make sure that you have a good grip and make sure you do not drop that turkey straight down into that oil. You do not need that oil splattering all over the place. My husband did advise to make sure you have some of those heat-resistant gloves. They're a little inconvenient as far as picking the item up and down, but they're definitely a good thing to have on hand dealing with this oil. I do believe they give you a set in the box, but I'm not really sure. I can't remember because it's been so long ago that we got the turkey fryer. The other thing where I saw that we made our mistake is we should have put more oil in it to fill it up to the max. There was a little bit, if you can see there, the turkey's not quite covered with oil. So there's a little section that didn't get that nice crisp on it, and you'll see it towards the end. If you follow those directions, you will have a perfect turkey. So I didn't follow directions. I didn't put the oil all the way up to the max line. So once the turkey is in the oil, you can close the lid and follow the directions for how much time it should be in the oil. These are those heat-resistant gloves that my husband suggested that everybody should have on hand, and they do come in handy. And guys, here is our turkey. So as you can see, that little white spot, that's because I didn't fill the oil up to the max. But other than that, the turkey was nice, crispy. It was moist inside. This thing is great. I'm telling you, everybody should have one. We hope you found this review helpful. Guys, kindly subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section. I would be happy to answer them. Also, give us a thumbs up, a smiley face. And again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We upload a new video weekly. See you then. Bye.